Hey everybody, what is going on? I wanted to share my screen real quick and just show you how you can use a really simple, very basic two-step email opt-in sequence within ClickFunnels. I think a lot of people um, get tripped up in ClickFunnels as a software because as wonderful and amazing as Russell Brunson is, the marketing genius behind ClickFunnels. I think that there are way too many videos out there showing you guys how to do different things. And I like to simplify things, especially for people like me who maybe have been sitting in a corporate job for a really long period of time, have been recently laid off, and you don't know what to do. Like you're scared, you don't know, it's finding another job right now is almost impossible, especially in the salary range that a lot of us have been used to, like a six-figure salary range. So I think the best way to kind of get ourselves out there and do it, do it the right way again, the it being bring money in the table, right? Bring the bacon, bring home the bacon for your family. Everybody in my family depends on me and relies on me to bring money into the house, right? And I like to bring a lot of money into the house. So I'm going to share my screen. I'm just going to show you how I use ClickFunnels. It's a very basic way. Okay, this is going to be like ClickFunnels 101, 101, and maybe a little bit of 102. All right. So this right here is this is my funnel page. So let me go to the very basics real quick. Let me just go to home. Okay. Go to funnels. All right. So these are all of my funnels. Okay. I've got all kinds of stuff in here, right? But I'm going to go to my two-step email building freebie template. All right. So if you look at the link below this video, this is so that you can get access to this very template. Okay. And so what this is right here is this is just for a freebie. And we're going real basic right now because your freebie might be something simple like an ebook. You could write an ebook with Chat GPT, right? I'm going to show you a little bit about how to use that in a separate video. But if you're in this video, you're watching this right now, this says, free ebook reveals live streaming secrets because I'm a live stream video expert, right? Like I've taught people how to use live stream video really effectively to grow that know, like, and trust with their audience and bring more people onto their email list. Okay. So um, this is a really basic template. I don't want you to make too many changes to this. And the reason why is because this has been used over and over and over again by so many people and it works, right? Especially if you're using the right headline and if your solution to people's problems is very clear, they're going to give you their email address. Okay. So in order to make any changes in ClickFunnels to anything, you just hover over it. You can go to the gear and boom, you can change the font. I can change this font to Open Sans if I want to, or I can change it to, we'll say Merriweather if I want to do that. Okay. And every single time I make a change, I hit save. Okay. And then if I want to change this photo, I can go here, click on the gear, go to the part where it says image, and then I can change the image if I want to change the image to, maybe me teaching, right? Okay. But I don't want to do that. I want to keep it as this. But you can see how quickly and easily I can do that, right? And then under here, discover the super simple live streaming strategy anyone can use for free quality leads. If I click in this and I go to the settings, I can change the bold color to pink or teal. Okay, you guys see that? I actually kind of like that. I like the pink. Okay. And then you can also, make it a little darker if you want to, bring it here. You can do whatever you want with the color here. Okay. I really think I liked that color, right? So I'm gonna hit save again because I made a change. I hit save, right? And then down here, once again, I can just click on the image itself, or I can go to the gear, right? This is really simple to use. I love it. I love using it. Okay. So again, you can just change to whatever. Now, when you get in here, you're not going to have any photos. So if you want to upload a photo, you go to upload and then go into your downloads and, pick a photo and then upload it in. Okay. There's some really funny ones in here, by the way. I'm well aware of that. Right. So you can have that. Okay. But again, I want to keep this the way that I had it. So I'm going to go in here and grab this. I actually have two pages of this. And grab my, okay. So then I'm going to hit save. And then here, enter your name, email. Again, you can change the font on this if you want to. I'm going to keep it at Montserrat because that is my font family of my brand, font family number of my brand, right? And again, I don't change too much on these because I know this has been used before and it's been effective. So enter your name here. Make sure this is the name, okay? Enter name here. This says not required. I actually do want this. I want my name in here. And then email address. Required email address, enter your email address. Again, you can change the font family here if you want the font to be changed. Don't mess with that though. I really wouldn't mess with anything on this other than what your freebie is and the photos of your freebie, okay? Unless you want to be, bold and vivacious, and God bless it. The button color, you can change that if you want to. You can, go with teal, you can go with green. Green means go. That's kind of a fun color. You can also just go in here and just change it to whatever color you want, right? And then the button text you can change here. Again, font family, font size. And then to see, so this is on desktop view, by the way. If I want to see it on mobile view, which is how most people are going to look at it, this is how you can look at it. Pretty cool, right? Make sure you've got your name and your copyright information down here. If you are running ads, you need to make sure that you have your privacy policy from your website, linked from your website on the bottom of this. I personally do not run ads. I don't run ads to this, okay? But if you do run ads, make sure you've got your privacy policy linked, and I'll show you very quickly how to do that. So this is my website, trishlitocoaching.com. I'm going to go to the bottom, my privacy policy. I'm just going to right click it, copy link, go over here, edit page, go to the bottom, boom, and I'll say privacy policy. Policy, okay? Well, I don't want it to be all caps. That is not very, I do not love that. Privacy, all right? And then I'm going to grab this, and then I'm going to go here. I'm going to take that hashtag out of it and paste the link in, and I'm going to make the color of that like a nice deep blue. Okay, I'm going to hit save. Now, do you see how that's in there? I'm going to hit preview. I'm going to hit preview. Okay. So this is what it would look like if somebody clicked on my freebie thing or my freebie link, right? And then boom, click privacy policy, and that goes directly to my privacy policy of my website. Cool. So now you guys can see what I got going on there. All right, that's important. We have to have that on there if you're ever running ads, whether it's on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. You have to have that privacy policy down there. Okay, that's really important. Another thing I like to add, and I will do this very quickly, is I like to add a little subheadline down here and say, I will only email you once a week. Promise not to spam. Or share your information with anyone or any other or email used for this Trish Lito providing you with awesome. Okay. And I will take this and I'll make it even smaller because I like it to be small. See ridiculously large. Go here, click on my gear. Font size, I'm going to make this a 14. And I'm actually also going to put a little something here. Okay. I can also make it so that the top margin is directly below my biz face. So you see, it's just, no big deal. I actually might even make this a little bit smaller. I don't want it to be insanely big. There we go. That's a good size. Okay. So then I'm done. I've done that, right? So that's it. So here's the part where it gets even more fun. Okay. So this button right here submits the page. Why do we need the page submitted? Because we need to bring this into our email list. So I use Active Campaign. I'm just going to cover this lightly. I just want to make sure that whatever email automation software you may be using, some people might be using, Active Campaign. Some people might decide to pay for the Actionetics version of God bless you, but that's like $297 a month, I think it's $300 a month to have like all the bells and whistles of ClickFunnels. I don't have that. I have ClickFunnels for $97 a month, and then I have Active Campaign that I pay very minimal per month to have my email list in. Okay. My point here is this. I'm going to remove the integration. I'm going to hit save because this is what it's going to look like when you go in here. So you're going to go to settings, you're going to go to integrations. Okay. You're going to go to integration, and before you set all of this up, you're going to have a list established in either Active Campaign or Bluehost or WordPress or SendGrid or MailChimp, wherever it is, you're going to click on integration and you're going to integrate it to that thing. Okay. Whatever email that you use. I use Active Campaign. Okay. And then under here, under action, I'm going to say add to list. Some people can say, add to tag. I'm just going to say add to list because this is a list building thing. And then this is leads. Boom, done, save. Okay. Now, for those of you who don't already have your email set up, you're going to go into your account settings. And then you're going to go over to integrations. And you're going to find your integration. You're going to click it. Okay. You're going to click your integration. This is also where you're going to link up your Facebook pixel if you have one of those. But I have my Active Campaign that I started using in September. I have Get Response too, but I like Active Campaign better. So anyway, Active Campaign is linked up. If you don't already have it, make sure you come in here, manage your API integrations, and then it'll show you step by step. Guys, if you have any questions about how to do this stuff, all you have to do is click this little support button down here and you ask it a question. And then it'll send you videos on how to connect everything up. Okay, so I don't work at ClickFunnels. Let the people who do help you. I'm going to go back to the funnel and just kind of show you. So two-step building funnel freebie. Okay. So that's that page that I showed you. Okay. Now over here. Oh, one more thing on here. I don't want to forget to tell you this. This is important. This is actually really, really important. The other thing you want to do in here, there's a few pieces to this. So you got the integration here. You also want to hit SEO metadata. This is really important. Okay. You got to tell it what page, like what you're providing. So I'm putting 3 5-minute lives ebook. Okay. And make sure I put my trademark in here everywhere I have it. It's trademarked. Okay. So free 5-minute lives ebook. I'll go back into that. Sorry. I just wanted to hit save. And then keywords. What are your keywords? Your name, the name of the thing that you're promoting. Okay. Make sure everything's spelled properly, obviously. The author, that is your name, and then your social image. So if you have an image that maybe you created on Canva, then you can upload that. That's where this was created. So if obviously you're going to have this template, this exact template, you're not going to want to have my mug on your stuff. So go in, upload your own stuff. Make sure you update that. Okay. I'm going to hit cancel now, but make sure all this is completed. Okay. And then it shows you on the bottom, it shows you what it will look like when you promote this out. This is your whole SEO preview. So it so you know exactly what it looks like, right? So that's good. That's a good thing. The other thing you want to do is, oh, so under typography, you can make it so that it knows like um all the font. See, it'll change the font automatically. So if you go into typography, okay, headline font, I like my headline font to be Montserrat. So it'll change it to that everywhere. Okay. And then content font is Roboto. All right. So I actually want this to be, I like Montserrat. I like that better. That's actually kind of fun. Okay, alternative rather. All right, and then what else? What else? What else? Background. This is you can change the background image if you want to. Here's your color if you want to do a color. But I'm gonna tell you this again. I've said it a few times. This particular opt-in two-step funnel has done very well with this being just like this. So just it's simple to it's clean, guys. It's simple to read, etc., etc. So if it ain't broke, don't fix it. If you do want to change it up and you're like really good at like creating things that are aesthetically pleasing, then God bless you, have at it. I'm not going to tell you no. This is I like that. But I just want to make sure that I'm covering everything that I can cover. Your Facebook pixel, you want to make sure that if you do run ads, you want your pixel in there. I'm not going into all of that. I want you to use this as an opt-in to give to people like manually, like organically. Okay. Again, make sure you got your website down here or your name. If you don't have a website, that's fine. Don't even sweat it. And then privacy policy. If you don't have a privacy policy, you can actually create a privacy policy page within ClickFunnels, and then that you can link it to the bottom here. Okay. And then here is your thank you page. Okay. Your thank you page should be very almost exactly like your first page. So I'm actually going to go in here and change background background color, red. And then, oh, so this is, sometimes you'll find, that, okay, that they have separate sections for each page. So you have to go into so the big green ones are the huge boxes, like the huge sections. So I'm going to go in here and just like change this to gray because I don't want to. And I'm actually, hold on a second. I don't like that color. Um, oh, that's kind of fun. They've got a picture there. I don't mind that. It's actually kind of fun. Leave that there, and then I'll make this gray a little bit. That'll work for now. And then what else? Then this is these boxes are here. They don't even need to be here. So you can always delete boxes too, right? You can delete boxes. You can save them. I just get rid of them. Okay. And then again, you can have your terms and conditions, your privacy policy down here. I'm going to delete this right now. Yep. And then your name on here. And then let's see. This site is not part of the Facebook website or Facebook Inc. Additionally, this site is not endorsed by Facebook in any way. Facebook is a trade. Oh, so somebody had probably a Facebook trademark in here. And yeah. So this could be this box right here because whatever I added you to the waiting list. You can change this. Obviously, you can say awesome. Your free thing is on the way. That's what I like to do. I like to say awesome. Your free ebook is on its way to your box. And then don't forget to check your spam folder. That is what I like to do is boom, boom. Okay. Check your spam folder just in case. All right. And then anything additional doesn't need to be there. And then this is going to say, um, download your ebook here. Or, okay, this could also be your community, uh, what's your next step? Next step could be join my free community. You might have a free Facebook group. Excuse me. You might have a free Facebook group or a free LinkedIn group, or you have any kind of group anywhere. Or maybe you have your own podcast. Maybe you have your own YouTube channel. Maybe you actually have a website, right? Maybe maybe you want somebody to, book a free call with you, whatever. It could be literally like a gazillion different things, right? Um, or you could just have the free ebook here. And what I like to do is, bear with me just a second, sharing that screen, but I'm going to grab my free ebook from so I want you to see how simple this can be. So I'm going to go over here. Okay. So this is my 5-minute lives blueprint ebook. All right. So what I can do is, this is in Google Drive. What I can do is I can hit these little 3 little dots in my Google Drive, and I can say, oh, excuse me, sorry. Let me go back over here. I can say over here, I can say share. Okay, see where it says share, and you can copy the link, right? Or I can go into share, and then share, and then it's going to open up this box. And what this box is going to do is say anyone with the link, and you can adjust this. You can say viewer, commenter, or editor. Okay, so I can see anybody who's got the link can view my free ebooks. Now I copy the link and I say done. Okay, and so this, I click on this, set action, boom. And I can say open in same window or open a new tab, new window. I'm going to open in the same window and I'm going to hit save. And I just want you to see, because once I preview this, I want you to see how this looks. I hit preview. Again, you have to adjust your copyright down here, etc., etc. Awesome. Your free ebook is on its way to your inbox. It is. I don't like sorry, that's going to annoy me. Is on its way. Okay, better. Awesome. Your free ebook is on its way to your inbox. Don't forget to check your spam folder just in case. I'm going to click on this. Bada bing, bada boom. There it is. Okay. And that's all you have to do with this. So this is, I love Clickfunnels. Now I'll tell you again. So here, the SEO metadata, this needs to be free ebook thank you, or free ebook thank you. Confirmed. Confirmed. Okay. And then you can just boom, boom, your name. Okay. And then again, the image, I have the image here. Free ebook thank you confirmed. You're not going to promote the thank you page of your site though, right? So each page of ClickFunnels does the same exact thing. Okay. And then you click on mobile again and then see how it looks on mobile. Boom. All right. And then they click on it and then they get the thing. So make sure you change that whenever you make adjustments to this. Okay. It's gonna go in there this way. I'm gonna show you. So now this is a 2-for-1 training video, because not only am I showing you how you can build your list using your freebie, but now you can share this exact same funnel with somebody else. I'm going to show you how to do this. So this is what you're going to find. I'm going to go to publishing. I'm going to go, oh, excuse me. I'm going to go into settings. Settings. Okay. You're going to change the name of this. This is going to be whatever you want it to be called. So I have Trish So free, okay. But I'm calling it Trish Lito two-step opt-in, opt-in there. Okay. Now watch. Get rid of this because this is gonna, that path is going to duplicate based on what I just put in the first step, this box over here. See that? So the path automatically does that, okay? If you have a domain, you can put your domain in here, especially if you're running ads, okay? Um, so down here, so here's the page. This is the settings page, okay? Do not get this confused with your, let me go back to the phone. Don't let this get confused with your publishing. So publishing is going to have something different. I want this to have the name of what your thing is, how you want your audience to see it. Okay. So you don't want your audience to be like opt-in. You want to call this free ebook, right? Same thing with settings. You want it to look nice and clean across the board. So I'm calling this Trish Lito's two-step opt-in funnel for now so that we all know what it is. Right here, when you hit share this funnel URL, boom, okay. I'm going to take this and I'm going to go put this into here. This is where you're going to see this. Okay. It's going to be right in here in the course. Like you're going to click on this link directly underneath this video. Right. And all I'm going to say is you're welcome because this is going to help you a lot. So grab your funnel template here. All right. Boom. Boom. Save. So then that very template that I just showed you how to update, edit, and use is right there, okay? So now, get that out of the way, okay? So that's how you are going to do the same thing. Once you build out your template, if you want to share this information with somebody else and you want to get ClickFunnels for free, so in 2 weeks, so if you don't already have an account, get your account now. You get it free for 14 days. After those 14 days, you're going to pay $97 a month. But the cool thing is that when you sign up for their affiliate program, you make, I think it's 40% commission every month for every single account that's signed up under you. So if you get 2 people to sign up under you, doing the very same thing that I'm doing right now with this video, and then you go in here and you grab this link and you share it with other people, then if they use your link, they sign up as an affiliate under you, then you're going to end up getting ClickFunnels for free within 2 months. Okay, it's pretty cool. So, obviously go check out the affiliate program, how that works. I'm not going to disclose my affiliate stuff, but you go in and you sign up to be an affiliate. And if you don't know how to do that and you're confused about any of that, then you can just go into the help section of ClickFunnels. You can get help, and then boom, you can say affiliate. It'll say add a new affiliate manually, ClickFunnels affiliate program, so you can go sign up for it. Okay. But for now, I just want to make sure that I am very clear on how you use this, how you can integrate it. Like I said, you can go buy a domain. You can buy a domain through ClickFunnels. You can buy a domain from GoDaddy, from Bluehost, from WordPress, from Google. You can go into Google and click on, buyacheapdomain.com. And I'll tell you, if you do buy a domain, make it a domain that's like on point with your branding. So my domain is Trish Lito Live. And then I also have trishlitocoaching.com. Okay. So make sure it's a domain that's aligned with your brand and what you're doing. And then make sure that, you have that in there. There's a whole other piece to this in my paid membership where I kind of break down how to associate your domain with, having like subdomains for your funnels and things like that. And I go into that a little bit more in depth. But for the sake of this video and the simplicity of it, to make sure that you are actually taking massive action and starting to launch your own business, this is the end of this training video. So I hope this was helpful to you. And I do hope that you end up using this and you start building your own list. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.